Hey guys, so now I am at the square here. This is also known as the field in Siena. So this is a very historic place because every year in the month of July and in the month of August there is a palio race. There is a palio horse race that takes place. So this whole field gets crowded by around 30 to 50,000 spectators, and there is a tradition around the edge. There is a track. The horses will be running, and the thing is, the horses will be given to the jockeys only 3 or 4 days before the race. So it's entirely up to the luck. It's not about the jockey. It's not about how he plays, but it's about the horse. It's about luck, which horse wins, and there's only one winner. So this is a beautiful place. It completely gets crowded, and there's a live telecast all over the world. So Siena and Florence were enemies of each other, and centuries ago, I think Florence captured Siena, and after which it's a part of Tuscany altogether. So let me tell you where I am going today. I am on a one-day guided tour to Tuscany. I am traveling with this group of around 40 people, I think 30 to 40 people, and we just now went to Siena. We saw the cathedral, went into the square, we went into the market, had a cappuccino. Now we are heading towards the farm where we will be having lunch and the wine tasting, the most beautiful part. This is the group that I'm traveling in.
Really good. I mean, during the weekend, I hope for you today you will not find so many people over there, but the locals, they usually come during the weekend up to do some strolls, to have like just to chill out in San Gimignano, and they just go there to Dondoli because it's very, very good. You will tell me then. It's very creamy, it's delicious. And Dondoli is a D-O-N-D-O-L-I, Dondoli.
Guess where I am? I am near the best gelato shop in the world. So yes, that's the shop there, Gelateria Dondoli. So Gelato World Championship in 2006, 2007 and 2008, 2009. This has won 2 championships, the best gelato in the world. Let me enjoy the passion fruit. It's so passionate, and the mango, and also I have caramel. I have the caramel here, and this is the roast lychee. Indeed, the best gelato in the world. Hey guys, guess where I am? As you can see, I am near the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So what to talk about it, everyone knows about it. But just one thing I wanted to tell you. This tower was leaning because it has heavy marble. It has some 14,000 tons of marble. And this is built on a river, the Arno River. That is why it was leaning. The other thing which I got to know is this was closed from 1990 to 2011 because it was leaning and everyone had a fear that it will fall down. But they did something and now it's standing there. It's still leaning, but it's standing there. We're gonna go up there, climb up and come down.
Oh,